To use a Visa gift card on Uber Eats, you need to add it as a payment method in the app. First, open the Uber Eats app and go to the profile icon, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon to access the account settings. From the account settings, scroll down and select the payment options. In the payment options section, you will see a list of current payment methods, along with an option to add a new payment method. Select the Add Payment Method option to proceed. You will be given several payment method options, including credit or debit card. Since a Visa gift card works like a credit card, select the credit or debit card option. You will be asked to enter the card details, which include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter the card number, which is usually 16 digits long, followed by the expiration date, and the security code, which is a 3-digit number at the back of the card. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any issues. Once you have entered the card details, select the Save option to add the Visa gift card as a payment method. The card will be verified, and once verified, it will be added to your Uber Eats account. To use the Visa gift card as a payment method, select it when you are checking out with your order. Make sure the card has sufficient funds to cover the cost of your order. If the card balance is lower than the order total, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations, so it is a good idea to check the card terms and conditions before using it on Uber Eats. Additionally, if you encounter any issues when trying to add or use a Visa gift card, you can contact Uber Eats customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to add and use a Visa gift card on Uber Eats without any issues. This is a convenient way to pay for your orders, especially if you do not want to use your regular credit or debit card.